Hey YouTube, it's almost the end of the year, and in 2025 I was able to make a lot of progress both on my Honda Navi as well as my 1100 because of you guys. So thank you. It's because of you guys that I continue to work on these bikes, upload videos, and just see how far I can take this thing. Today I'm going to make a quick video that was requested from one of my followers on how to cold start the Honda Navi on a cold day. As many of you guys know, it's hard to cold start a carbureted motorcycle like the Honda Navi, mainly because the fuel doesn't behave the same when the engine is cold. And because of that, today I'm going to go over some quick tips and tricks to cold start your Honda Navi on a cold winter day. Step 1, I like to put my Navi on the center stand and make sure the kickstand's up all the way, because the Navi won't start when the kickstand's down. Step 2, key on and have your choke set all the way on. Step 3, brake on and start. If the bike doesn't start immediately, stop cranking, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and try again.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
If by some chance you accidentally flood the spark plug, all you need to do is take the spark plug out, use a little sandpaper like this, clean it up a little bit, put it back in, and it should be as good as new. And all you gotta do is just let it sit like this for a few minutes, and you can take her for a ride.
Yeah, boy.